certainly we feel that by joining with the illustrious Muskin family that we are completing ourselves, and that Daniel and Dina are a complete whole in Mitzvah Hashem together, and we hope for Achdus among all of Klal Yisrael, and the beauty and the nachas of this moment should continue for a very long time in Mitzvah Hashem.
Amen.
Another part of the Pasha talks about the mitzvah of Shabbos, and the question is asked, why is it repeated in this Pasha? After all, we know that we learn the mitzvah of Shabbos in Pashas Yisro, and again in V'as Chanan. So why here again? So it said, "Be'inyan hachova lahamtin u'tzapos l'bi'asa," that it's to teach us the obligation of us waiting and anticipating for the Shabbos, the arrival of Shabbos. And as the Rambam says, "Hatzofeh hi chelek mikavod Shabbos," that the waiting and the anticipation is an integral part of the kavod Shabbos. And as he says, as we know, we get ready, we wash, we put on our finest clothes. And the Rambam also says, "Kamosha hu yotze likras hamelach," just as though he was going out to greet the king. And since a chassan is damel melech and a kala is damel malka, so I think that there's a connection here as well. This is a moment that we have all tremendously anticipated, and I think that the anticipation is also, whenever two young people go out, there's always the hope that they'll meet their zivug yafeh, and that they will get to the next step together, and Baruch Hashem, we've reached that, and now there's anticipation to get to the next step, which Mitzvah Hashem will be the chasana, and for them to build a bayis ne'eman b'Yisrael in Mitzvah Hashem.
Amen.
The Or Chaim HaKadosh also furthers that thought along the lines of getting ready, and he makes the connection to, just as in Pashas Kisisa, when it talks about Shabbos, it says V'shamru b'nei Yisrael as Shabbos. So he says that's from the lashon that we have in Pashas Lech Lecha Bereshis, where it says V'aviv shamar es hadavar, that when Yosef was telling over his dreams, that Yaakov was, the quote is V'aviv shamar es hadavar, which is to say, Pirish mamtin u'mitzapa mosayavo. He was waiting and anticipating and seeing how will this play out, what will happen next. So Baruch Hashem, we're at this phase of our simcha, and we anticipate much nachas in the future, and we hope that the Chas and Kala will together build a bayis ne'eman b'Yisrael, and that our two mishpachas will continue to have smachos by all of Klal Yisrael and all of Eretz Yisrael.
Amen.